going on, my hand 1-2 squad? Welcome back to the channel. So it's the day. I was supposed to do yesterday, but I just wanted to take one more day just to get my mind right, get motivated to come out here and get stuff done, and now I'm ready. So today I just need to just get that cleared up a little bit right there. And then the car needs to move back. I'll focus on this other stuff another day. But for now, I'm going to clear up that little bit right there so I have an area. And then we're going to move the car back. And then air it up. Put the jack stands on it. Get the wheels off. And then we'll get the bumper off. Then once we get that done, the goal is to take the charge pipes off, the Navi off. Look at this thing over here buzzing around. Oh, he flew away. But we're gonna take the Navi off and try to take all the top end stuff off. That's the goal for today. Because if I can get that done, then tomorrow I'll have like about an hour left of work to do, and should be able to pull the motor out tomorrow. So hopefully I can accomplish this today. We'll see what happens. I hope the camera angles is going to be decent because I can't find my little camera pod thing where it used to. I don't know where it's at. So it's going to be in one spot. So y'all got to bear with your boy. But I'll do the best I can for camera angles. We're back to the Asuko. This is the camera I've been doing the time lapse on. So I'll be time lapsing with this and talking to you guys with my phone. Hey, I got to do what I can, I guess, you know. So just because of time, I'll do the best I can to try to find that thing. But if not, bear with your boy. I do the best I can to give y'all content. So let me get this started. So got my nice size area that I need to do 2 engine builds and pull the motor out. So let's take a moment and look at this one more time. This very engine right here, I broke the IS4 cam M90 record with this block. This was like my first masterpiece, and this block, you know, it's been great. Like I said, I don't know what we're gonna do. I want to make a table out the block because this, you know, this block's it's a part. It'll always be a part of Hellboy. So yeah, man, let's get back to it. First I'm taking the strut bar off, and then take the vacuum distributor block off. Then y'all know the scenario. Like I said, I apologize for the camera angle. The best I could do is have you guys up there because I can't find the tripod thing. So we just gonna get this engine, the top end, the Navi's coming off, alternator, everything I can get done on the top end is getting done today. So let me get back to it. Man, you know the thing I hate the most about when I work on Hellboy is I gotta be so careful on everything I do on this car because everything is just so detailed and nice. I don't want to mess it up, so it's taking me longer than what I thought. But bumpers off, battery catch can, belt, reservoir bottle. So I'm where I want to be right here, and then I got the hood where I want it. Now I take the charge pipes off, and then we're gonna get the Navi off, and then it should be almost homeward bound from there. So let's get back to it.
Yort, 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 yort.
DJ Sonic Freak.
Your dude, slow. 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 Your dude, 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 your dude.
All right, this guy off the phone with the stepdaughter, the wife. She just had surgery today, so good to know that she's doing good. So I can't be there. I don't need to discuss why I can't be there, but know that I know she's good. Anyway, so the Navi's off. Got kind of sidetracked a little bit, but I got the Navi off. Now I'm about to remove this, and then I'm gonna get the header off, take the alternator off, and then relieve the wiring harness, and then I might stop there for the day. I make my stopping point, because after I do all that, the only thing that'll be left is just the bottom end stuff. So I might just do that and call it a day. But I mean, for the most part, we got some stuff done. So let's get back to it. Okay, I'm back. I had to go take my daughter to her volleyball, but I got like about an hour left I can do today. I'm gonna try to get this done, but special guest came through, My brother bit. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. Man, you know, I've been sitting here procrastinating, talking to my brother, man. I'm gonna just call it a day. So tomorrow, we'll I'll probably off camera at least get the header off, because I'll be talking to my brother, showing him some videos and stuff. I'll probably get the header off at least, but we'll continue pretty much where we left off tomorrow. And hopefully we could be at the point where we can pull the motor off tomorrow. If we can't pull the motor out tomorrow, then we'll definitely be pulling it out Thursday. So out until tomorrow, I'll catch you guys.